Did you know if you go Google Play Store and download this application Google, you can be able to use it to read even a language that you cannot read it. So, for example, this is a manual for electric bike. It is full writing in Chinese. So I don't speak Chinese. I don't know it. So with helping with this Google Lens, with this Google application, I can be able to choose translate, and it can translate me in real time with the language that I can understand, as you can see. So you can choose the bunch of language that you can understand. If you go to here, you can be able to choose your favorite language, and you can be able to use it to translate into that language. As you can see, now it can translate this manual in real life in Arabic, and also it can do it in English and in different languages. So this is a charger, and also if you as you can see, it can translate it also into Arabic and in different languages. So here is over so many languages that you can choose. Over 30 languages you can select for yourself, and it can translate this into your actual language that you can understand. So guys, did you ever notice this feature, and did you ever use it? And also similarly, if you go to any place, especially if you are traveling in airport, in any place, you can this smartphone and this application and this Google Lens feature can really help you to identify whether what is exactly going there, because if you can't read it, you may find yourself into a very dangerous place. But if you can use this feature, it can really save your lives. So that is, guys. And also another cool things, you can use this application you can use Google Gemini inside this app to do a bunch of AI things, and you can get so many things through these applications. So news and money things, that is the bonus of this application. So guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me, and like this video. Thank you. See you very soon. Abofoke Tech sign out.